Alright, changing the oil on my Kubota G1800. Got the necessary oil, filter, and even the little drain plug washer. Now, I have this little pan bent like a funnel, because usually the oil drops down right on the mower deck and then it gets all over the place. Okay, there we go. I think it's loose now. Here we go. And you can see it's dropping right into the pan. So let me open the cap on the top, and then hopefully it'll let that flow better. All right, here we go. I got myself a set of locking pliers. Now I can just carefully loosen it. There we go. Perfect. And obviously locking pliers aren't the best for this, but hey, it works. There you go. The oil filter. Now this guy, there's not much I can do to prevent it from just going everywhere. Although I am gonna try to put another pan under there. I'll just go with cutting this thing in half and then fitting it there. So there we go, got the pan underneath of it. I think most of it will drain in here. There we go, perfect. So you can see we're almost at the limits of this little pan, but it caught most of it. Let me just place that right here. So there's the old filter. Number on there. I can compare it to the one I got. Alright, so this one's made in Indonesia, and I was worried that it's different than this one. And it is. But this one is not the original one. It's made in China, and it probably was from Amazon or something. And the one I'm replacing is this one on Coleman equipment. So I wasn't able to get this copper washer off because it's already squished down and I don't want to risk damaging the thread. So I'm just going to leave it the way it is. And it appears that all the oil is drained out. So I'm just going to clean up the drain plug hole and then hopefully it'll be good to go. Preferably I'd use a torque wrench to torque this to the preferred specs, but for now I'm just going to tighten it just enough that I'll know that it's not just gonna loosen up and fall out on its own. So there goes the pan. Hopefully it's not gonna go for a swim. All right, there we go. That's snug. I don't want to strip it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and carefully fill this. Okay, so it's probably a little excessive because I'm gonna have a hard time not pouring some of it out. But this is to prime it and to lubricate the seal on it. Okay, it's good now, I think. Okay, and hopefully the pan I put under there will catch most of what just leaks out. So here we go. Just gonna carefully, it's definitely primed, I'll tell you that much. You can't really get much better than that. It is at an awkward angle. And I'm just gonna tighten it a bit right now so that I can get this pan out, because I'm kind of dunking the paper towel every time into this pan, which isn't really helping me. Alright, nice. Okay, our first quart going in. Alright, the first time never really counts. Alright, so there we go. The oil level is a little below this mark, so I think I'm going to fill it up a tiny bit more, and then we'll be good to go.